Alright, in this video I'm going to show one option for protecting your radiators, and there are a number of others, but this is from Tusk, offered by Rocky Mountain ATV. I've used these in the past. They work pretty well. They're reasonably lightweight. They're well constructed, billet aluminum. They're quite thick, and they also fit well. I've used these before. But these ones are kind of a natural aluminum color, which are a few dollars cheaper. These ones run just under $150, where the ones that are colored run $150, which is less expensive than a lot of the other options that can run up to $200 or more dollars. So they're not crazy cheap, but they're really good quality, decent price. Show what they kind of look like. I mean, I've used them on at least one more bike. This one's been crashed a few times, if you can't tell, but that's what they look like. The black version, those are all muddied up though, so they're not nice and shiny. But we'll see what these look like when they get on here. And you can see so take those bolts off. So literally 1, 2, and then just replace them. And then these two peripheral bolts here, they're all the 6mm, which are 8mm hex heads. Okay, I would recommend when you're putting these back in place using a little blue type thread sealer, and that should get you ready to go. All right, let's see what these look like installed. Alright, here's what those radiator guards look like after installation. Now, one tip is, as you're installing these, get all those bolts started before tightening anything up. And then I really wouldn't go any tighter than about 5-ish to 6 foot-pounds. And again, use some blue thread sealer. But they look pretty great, and I've trusted them before. We'll see how they perform on this bike. But thanks for checking it out. Let me know if you got other ideas, ones you guys like better. Any comments like that, really appreciate it.